Today we are going to be unboxing Snack Crate. Hi, welcome to Subscriptions Galore. My name is Kristen and I'm so happy to have you here with me today. I unbox all things subscriptions from men's, women's, kids, pets, clothing, beauty, you name it, I unbox it. And if I haven't, I probably will be soon. As of filming this video, we are halfway there to our 100 subscriber giveaway. So if you are watching this video and you have not subscribed, go ahead and click on the subscribe button. And the faster we get to 100 subscribers, the faster we'll be doing that first giveaway. I love food subscription boxes. They are one of my favorite because I love trying new foods. This one, I believe they have several different boxes, and this one comes with 10 to 12 items for $26, free shipping. There is a drink option where you can pay a little extra to add on a drink, and I do think they have an option to put your boxes in like a cooler so they don't melt any of the candy if you are in a warmer place in the country. I don't know if they still currently have the $1 starter boxes, but they do that promotion on a regular basis where they have a box that has 5 to 6 items for $1. So let's slice this one open. And I haven't opened this, so I don't even know what country or anything about this box because it's a complete surprise. They don't give you any like emails or anything letting you know what's coming. It's a complete surprise. Denmark. And just like the last one that I did that I believe was Italy, they have a different format for their expiration dates. So if you're one that looks at expiration dates, it is different. Don't worry about it. And they kind of explain why on this card. Then next on top we have our little booklet. I love these booklets. They are so cute and so well done. The first page is all about Denmark with a bunch of interesting facts and the history about it. And then we have our pages that have all the different items. And they break it up into the different boxes so you kind of know if you were to get the different boxes what you would be getting. And then they always come with stickers that kind of have to do with that country. There's Denmark's. Even the wrapping paper, they change it for the country and they do it in different languages and then with the country's flag on them. The attention to detail in these boxes it's great. It's not just the pamphlet, but it's the wrapping paper and the sticker. Just they keep everything just looking like they make everything just kind of go along with the theme of the country. And this box is packed full. Here it is. You can just see a couple things on top. I am going to use the little pamphlet. It won't have the prices, but it will kind of help me explain what the different items are. First up, we have Kim's snack chips, and these are in original flavoring. These are rich crackers dusted with savory spice in each bite. Okay. Next we have Kim's Osta Pops in original, and these are tiny bite-sized corn-flavored snacks with a zesty cheese powder. So they kind of look like our cheese puffs, just a little bit smaller. Maybe like the little thin crunchy cheese puffs. Also from the brand Kim's. I wonder if Kim's is a very popular brand there. These are Smash, sweet, salty, and crispy. These look delicious. These are cone-shaped corn snacks wrapped in creamy milk chocolate. Sweet and salty is my jam. That's my favorite type of a snack. Now we are getting into the candy type items. This is by Haribo. This is their Stardust mix. And this is a mixture of marshmallow and licorice fruit gums. Okay. My daughter will be excited for those for sure. Let's see. Then we have by Carletti Scoombanan. And this is a fruity banana flavored marshmallow coated and decadent dark chocolate. Weirdly addicting. I've had other banana and chocolate flavored candies from other countries. They're delicious. I have never seen them in America, and I don't know why, because they're pretty good. Next we have a Yankee Original by Tom's. And this is the oldest chocolate bar in Denmark. Toffee and nougat covered in rich milk chocolate. That looks very much like a Milky Way in America, which I love Milky Ways. They're one of my favorite candy bars, so I'm excited to try this Yankee. Okay, we're going back to the brand Carletti Paterta Original. I'm not sure how to say that name, but it is a sweet savory combination of nougat, roasted peanuts, and dark chocolate. Looks pretty good. Oh, this looks like a kind of like a Kit Kat. This is an orange stang. Chocolate and orange. That's always good. Who doesn't like chocolate and orange? Actually, probably a lot of people. But anyhow, it says, bringing together the flavors of Danish chocolate and citrus. The sweet snack will steal your heart. I love orange and chocolate, so I think I'm going to like that as well. Oh my gosh, this box just keeps on going, it feels like. This is from Coletta, and it's called a flipper. I have no idea. Oh, it feels like it's shaped like a dolphin. It's a fluffy marshmallow texture in the shape of an adorable dolphin. A fun and sweet way to snack. Ooh, I almost dropped the dolphin. There it is. That is kind of cute. Oh, it smells so fruity and good. But I think I'm going to save that for my daughter. She will love it. I might take a bite. And that's kind of how my family does the snack boxes. We share it. If everybody wants it, we share it between the people. So if all three of us want it, we just cut up into thirds. If just two of us want it, we split it in half. If one person wants it, then they just eat the whole thing. We just kind of share it so that way everybody gets the experience. We have 2 more items left. This is by the brand Tom's. Gold Bar. Okay. Gold Bar Droning Mandler. Denmark's finest chocolate combined with crisp sugar-coated almonds, crunchy and sweet. I don't think my husband would like this because he doesn't like eating nuts in his chocolate, but I would like this. And our last item in here are Super Flyers. Strawberry Taste. It says, a licorice brand staple in Denmark for years. Enjoy either the strawberry or salty licorice flavor. So we have the strawberry flavor and not the salty licorice flavor. I got 12 items in this box. It was pretty much packed full. Well, there you go. That is everything I got in Snack Crate. nothing in here stands out as gross to me. They're all very intriguing and all something that I would love to try. So yeah, I like the subscription. It's so much fun just seeing different types of candies from other countries, or even candies from the same brands but differently. Because even if the company sells in other countries, they tailor the candy to that country and what that country likes to eat. And so I like just exploring new things, and it's fun for me. And so anyhow, I hope you have enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments down below, one, if you enjoy watching me taste test the food and if you want me to do that more frequently, and two, which item would be the one that you are most curious to try, and which item would you not want to try. I'm curious to find out what you guys like or dislike. Just let me know down below, and if there are any that I don't like, I will let you know, and I'll also comment my favorite once I've had a chance to try all of these. I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye!